Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a YouTube thumbnail on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, we need to search for the Adobe Express. As you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to click on the YouTube thumbnail. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, it will take few seconds in loading. And after the completion of loading, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of templates here, and you have to select the template, that which template you want to use. So I'm going to select that, and so as you can see, these all templates are provided here. We have to select the template, which template we want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, the thumbnail is here, like the good vibes. If you want to change this, you can also do that. You double click on this, and here all the things will be provided here. Like if you want to change this, I'm going to click on this, and it will be changed into this. As you can see, these all options are provided here. If you want to change this, you can also do it, like this text control, effect, shadow, and all the options are provided here. If you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. If you want to change the picture, or if you want to make changes in the picture, you can also do that, like the generative fill and erase, and all options are provided here. And after the completion of these editing, you have to hit the download button, and after clicking on the download button, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. And after the completion of downloading process, you'll be able to. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.